Video. In today's video I will show you how to apply blur effect or a blur view inside your React Native project without any third-party library for the new architecture. So first I will show you guys the output. So this is the output, and again here it might seem that the blur is too much, but I will show you how to apply the blur radius and change the blur according to your needs, as well as this is for Android. So here you can see this is little less blur. So yeah, we will tackle this inside the video. So first I have created a React Native project. Next you have to enable the new architecture. So for Android you have to search for new arc enabled. So I will just go inside my project, search for new arc enabled and make this as true. For iOS you have to run this command from cd to your iOS directory and run this command. Next we have to do fabric native components. So what we will do is that first we will create this RTN blur view. Next we will create Android, iOS and JS folder. Inside JS folder I will create this file RTN blur view native component.ts, and here you can I have just copy pasted this from docs, and this file name has been changed. I am not sending any props, but here you can send the blur radius prop if you want to. Next in package.json again I have copy pasted this from the docs, only this file name has been changed over here and over here. So I will show you the docs as well. So you just have to go to fabric native components and here you will find all the code. Okay, next I have created this RTN blur view.podspec, again copy pasted it from the docs, only this file name has been changed. Next go to your Android, go to build.gradle, and again I have copy pasted this from docs as well. I have added apply plugin Kotlin Android. This namespace has been changed, as well as this Kotlin standard lib has been added, and we need to add this dependency as well to implement blur view. Next go inside the main Android folder, go to build.gradle, and you have to add this Kotlin version over here, as well as you have to add this class path. Next go to app build.gradle, and here you have to add apply plugin Kotlin Android, as well as you have to add this implementation org Kotlin standard lib. Next go to create an src main java com rtn blur view folder. First we have to create blurview package.kt, and again I have copy pasted this from docs. Blurview manager.kt, again copy pasted from docs, only file name has been changed over here and imports has been changed. Okay, and here we are calling our blur view and we are passing the context as well as the activity. Next we will create blurview.kt, and here you can see we are extending from the 8-bit lab blur view which we have imported in our build.gradle. So I'm extending that class, and first getting the decor view, the root view and window background, and this is the radius of our blur. So here you can change it according to whatever you need depending on how much blur you want. So you can send this as a prop as well, and then we are setting up our blur view, and yeah, this is how you set up your blur view. Next go to iOS, and here again copy pasted it from the docs, only file name has been changed. Then you have to create this file, make sure the extension is .mm, again copy pasted it from docs, only file name has been changed. Next we have to create rtn blur view.mm, again this has been copy pasted from docs, only the file name has been changed. So the important thing to notice here, we are creating our UI view, then I am making the UI view occupy entire width and height, and next we are creating UI visual effect as well as UI usual effect view, and then we are adding it to our UI view as well, and same again this has been copied from the docs. So once that is done, go to your terminal, and here you have to run yarn add ./rtn blurview, so whatever is your folder name. Next you have to do cd ... So that's why you have to move outside your React Native project. So here I will show you. So here you can see you have to do cd ... Next you have to run this command. So here this command entirely, and this should be your project name. So here you can see my project name is my app, and followed by the folder name which you have created. Next, for Android, you have to do cd to Android. So go to the main Android folder and you have to run this command. So this will do code generation for Android. And for iOS, you have to do cd iOS and just run this command. So this will do code generation for iOS as well. Okay, once that is done, inside our app.tsx, this is how I have imported it. Sorry about that. Next, I have just taken a flat list. You can take anything whatever you want, and here you can see I have taken an RTR blur view, and the position is absolute and the width and height is 100%. So this should be the last view inside your view hierarchy, so that the RTR blur view is at the top of all other views. What else? I think that should be it. Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.